Konnichiwa. Welcome to lesson 2. You learn how to travel by train and metro. You'll pick up the essential expressions, practice speaking, and learn the etiquette on the public transport. Please call me Arai sensei. If you want to visit Japan, please subscribe and set the bell. You'll get the useful phrases. Are you ready? Let's begin. Imagine you're on the train platform at the airport. And now you're heading to Tokyo. You're looking for the train to Tokyo. Tokyo iki. Let's get attention. Yes, すみません. Good memory from lesson 1. Say, これは東京行きですか? You know what it's about and ですか is it from lesson 1. And here, これ is this one and 行き is going. So, is this the train to Tokyo? Repeat please. これは東京行きですか? これは東京行きですか? Good. はい。Yes. Say thank you. Good. ありがとうございます。Okay, let's practice. You're going to 大阪. Let's check 大阪行き. Get attention. Yes, すみません. Ask. Good. これは大阪行きですか? はい。You say? ありがとうございます。Very good. Next, you're going to 横浜. Let's check 横浜行き. Get attention. すみません. Ask. Good. これは横浜行きですか? いいえ、あれです。いいえ、no. あれ、that one over there. Say. ありがとうございます。The last practice. You're going to 京都. Let's check 京都行き. Attention. すみません. Ask. Good. これは京都行きですか? いいえ、3番線です。番線 is platform number. And then, ありがとうございます。Perfect. If you want to learn more, try the playlist called Basic Japanese for Beginners Part 1. Also, please check Japanese pronunciation for beginners if you want. Now, culture tip for you. The etiquette on the public transport. Question 1. Can you talk on the mobile phone on the train in Japan? The answer is no. On the train, metro, Shinkansen, and bus, it's important to be quiet for the other passengers. But Shinkansen has non-seating area and you can call here. Question 2. Can you eat food and snacks on the train in Japan? The answer is no, on the train, metro, and bus. Except Shinkansen, because it's normally a long journey. You can get Ekiben station bento on the platform before you get on. This is the one I enjoyed last time. And don't forget to throw the rubbish to the bin provided. And put the seat upright when you get off. Okay, today's summary, まとめ. Tell me the expressions from the lesson. Yes. X は destination 行きですか? これ and あれ? はい and いいえ. And culture tip? Yes, basically no eating and calling on the phone except Shinkansen. And clear the seat when you get off. Great progress on lesson 2. Lesson 3 is bus and taxi. So don't miss out and please subscribe and set the bell if you haven't. Thank you for learning my language. Let's keep going. Please click like and share if you enjoyed the video. If you want to learn more, please visit masterspeakingjapanese.com. You can access for more lessons. Thank you very much for watching my lesson. I'd love to see you on another video. Bye for now.